Stop using boring thumbnails and titles on your video. In this video, I will show you how I create my thumbnails and titles that makes my videos stand out and irresistible. If you are just discovering my channel for the first time, welcome to Legit Info Hub. Here, I share best strategies on how to make money on YouTube and the exact step-by-step on how to grow your YouTube channel to success. So if this sounds like what you're here for, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to see it. And for my returning subscribers, I'm honored to have you back. Thank you so much. Your support means everything to me. In fact, I am so excited to share more valuable insights with you today. So without wasting much of your time, let's move right straight into the practical steps on how I create stunning thumbnails and amazing titles for my video. Let's go. So we'll be using Canva. In case you don't have Canva on your phone, so you just go to Play Store, head over to Play Store and download Canva. Just type Canva. I'm using Android phone, so for iPhone, just go to App Store. Yes, just type the same thing. So once you click on it, so this is it. This is Canva. This is Canva. Do you understand? So after installing it, we now proceed. So here we are, Canva. So first, you want to look for, because you're working on YouTube, all right, thumbnail. So you look for YouTube thumbnail. Like my own is here already. Let me circle it to see. Yeah, so my own is here already. You can see it, right? So my own is there. So I'll just go ahead and click on it. So once I click on it, you wait for it to load. It's loading. So these are the templates. These are the templates you can use. They are so amazing. Most of them are pro. As you can see now, like I said, we'll be using free tools. We are not paying for anything because we are just starting out, all right? So I'm going to be showing you how to use free version. Okay, so you can see that I'm not using pro version. So I'm not using pro version, but I can still design amazing thumbnail. Okay, now these are the few things you want to take note of anytime you want to design thumbnail. Okay, now the first thing is you have to make sure you use bold and clear text. Yes, this is because it will show your viewers what that video entails. All right, that's why you need to make sure that your text is very clear and bold. All right, now the next thing is you must use a very high quality images. Like you can see these images, yeah, they are very sharp. Okay, so you have to make sure you use a very sharp quality images. All right, now the next thing is facial expression. Very important. For instance, you can see this first one, secret you should know. You can see the reaction, the facial reaction resonate with this secret you should know. Do you understand? So you have to pay attention to your facial expression. All right, and the number 4 thing is you have to make sure your thumbnail creates urgency. Yes, it has to create urgency. Like you can see here, it said secrets you should know. That secret you should know, it's urgency, meaning it's something you need right now, like something you need right now. You can see the urgency, it sounds urgent. All right, now the next thing is visual elements. So these are the few things you should take note of while designing your thumbnail, and this is why your thumbnail will come out very strong and commanding. So your viewers will have to click on it. In fact, they don't have any option because they cannot resist it. All right, so let's go ahead and click on this one. So clicking on this now, you can see you can make changes to these. Very easy, very simple. So you can decide to, let's say we want to change this to YouTube. Okay, let's say you edit, you want to remove this one, so you want to type YouTube. No, we want to remove the S, or how to, okay. How to, so you want to how, all right? So you now leave that how there. You can adjust it to your taste. You can adjust it anywhere you want to. You can adjust it. You can say, you can adjust it. You can make it stand out to your own taste. All right. Now, this one you may decide to say how to. You can just edit it. Click on edit. It will open. So I just want to how to. You can see it. How to. I want to say how to record, or how to film, okay? So you can see it. Now you can decide to design it in a way that is very nice. Do you see it? So maybe you decide to turn it around to make it nice. So just go ahead and try it out. Just try it out to your taste. Change some things, try out some stuff, check it. If you like it, I now use it. Okay, so you can say this, how to, you can say it, right? How to film. So this image, you can decide to move it back. You can decide to replace it. So you just click on replace. Maybe you have your own image that you want to use. Do you understand? So you can decide to upload an image. So if you have an image to upload, you can decide to upload it. Let's say I'm uploading this. You can say it. You arrange it to how you want it to be. Arrange it as you want it to be. You can see that we have changed the whole thumbnail to what we want. You can see it. So it's very, very simple. You just do it according to what your video entails. All right. So after doing it, you want to download. How do you download? Let me show you. You just come here, this place. Here, this place. You just click on it. Okay. All right. So you click on it. It will bring out this download. You can see download. You click on the download. You wait for it to highlight. Then you just click on download. It's downloading. You can see that it's preparing your design. So after downloading now, it will save in your phone. Then you can decide to go and use it anytime. You can see that it has saved. So the next thing now is how to get a very good title. All right. So that will be using ChatGPT. I show you how to use ChatGPT. So if you have not watched that video, you can decide to go back and watch that video so that you understand how you can do this. So the next thing now is ChatGPT. So you can see it's asking you, what can I help you with? So now we want to generate a title. Let's go ahead and give it a prompt. Hey, ChatGPT, I made a video about how to film. You remember in our thumbnail, how to film. Generates a title for me. Then you go ahead and search. You allow it to load. So it's giving you, here are some ideas. Here are some title ideas for your video on filming. So number one, you can see that master the art of filming, pro tips for beginners. So these are titles you can use. So you can decide to choose any one. If you can see that these titles are very, very catchy, they are very, very unique. Do you understand? So if anybody should see this title, the person will just want to, because the title sounds urgent. Filming 101, capture stunning videos with these tips. So if somebody that's looking for this kind of tutorials, we want to go and see it. Okay, so these are the best way to design your thumbnail and your titles. So with this now, your thumbnail and your title will never be boring. It will have a high conversion rate. Okay, I believe you have value for this video. Please, if you do, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can also recommend this video to people who also need it. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to see it. All right, so until I come your way next time, peace and love.